when I had on a wig, y'all, I was ready to flip that thing over and get into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl B, and this is a long overdue video. I was supposed to do it week 2, but here we are, week 3. But if you can tell from the title, it is my 3-week lock update. So I made it to 3 weeks and I am so excited. So as you can see, I still have it braided up. Some of them kind of like loosened out, but I will be taking it down today, and for the next 3 weeks until my retie, I'm wearing them natural. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up. My skin is skinning, y'all. My skin looks so good. I've been drinking nothing but water. It's been about 2 weeks, I want to say, and honestly I did a 9-day cleanse that you can check that out. But since then, like, my skin looks so good. I'm loving it. And yeah, in that video, just check that video out once it drops. But yeah, back to today's video. So today I will be doing the 3-week update to the day. I got it done 3 weeks ago. Here we go. So this is what it's looking like, freshly down, and I like it. It looks a little, you know, looks worn. So as you can tell, it's not as neat as it was that first day, which I love. My edges look a little darker because, you know, the little growing that was happening. This side is still like nothing there. If y'all didn't see that rant about my edges in the first one, go ahead and check out that video. I'll link that up one of these 2 sides. But yeah, so this is the hair let down. Let me turn. Okay, so this is Microlocs currently, and I'm in love. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I am in love. So let's just talk about the last 3 weeks. For the first install, up until my 5 week, I think I scheduled my retie 5 to 6 weeks. For the first retie, you cannot wash your hair. You can't put anything in your hair, no oils, no nothing. I think they said if you do experience dry scalp, go ahead and use ACV, apple cider vinegar, and if not, you can use like a sea breeze, like a sea breeze shampoo or something like that. Rub that on the scalp. But I'm afraid to mess up anything, so I'm following directions to a T. So I don't really put anything in my hair at all. The one thing is that I did experience like an itchy scalp, but honestly that was only when I was wearing a wig. When I let my hair out, it kind of in the braids sometime, it was like, you know, a little itch, but that's what, like, I think all braids in general. But it was nothing that was like irritable or felt like, oh my gosh, I had to wash it. Like, it's been pretty chill as long as I didn't wear a wig. Now when I had on a wig, yeah, I was ready to flip that thing over and get into it. But outside of that was fine. Like, I literally just wore a wig when I went out to like dinner and stuff, or when I would go into the office. So yeah, that was the only time I was really wearing it. Outside of that, I was just rocking my little 2 braids. But y'all, I love it. I don't regret it at all. This was like the best decision for me. And yeah, I'm gonna play with some styles this week. I don't like the bantu, not only because the edge situation, but maybe that is kind of like darker now. I could try it. I don't know. I have like, oh, see this? Shedding here. But yeah, I have like 3 weeks. Yeah, I have about 3 more weeks until I go for my retie, so I'm gonna play around with different styles just to see what I like. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and yeah, I'm sorry I don't have much else to say. I'm satisfied. Again, the size is still a little small, but once they mature, they should be a little bit thicker. So that's what I'm hoping for. This little small one here. Did any of them loosen out? So the ones that she did on this side like loosened out completely. It was like 2. It was like one right here, which is kind of holding on, and then it was like one up here somewhere, but I didn't have no hair, so it wasn't holding on to anything. But the ones on this side are pretty much holding on. They didn't unlock, so that's pretty good. They're still holding strong, and then in the back, yeah, they're all good. So yeah, this is my 3-week update. I hope you guys enjoyed. The next video will be my first retie, so I'll go ahead and get that to you guys in a couple of weeks. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far, and definitely check out my other video, because it should be posted already depending on when you watch this video. But it's on my new journey, so my new journey in addition to my live journey. So definitely subscribe to my channel so you guys can just like be updated on everything. Yeah, I promise you, you'll love it here. It's going to be so many things about the way I'm going to be living my life in the future, and me transitioning into this lifestyle. So go ahead, check that out. Definitely subscribe, because you're going to see those changes I'm making, and they're all for the better. And you know, you guys should join me if you want to. But yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.